Tutorial for using the Riverso Planning Assistant. Hello, and welcome to this tutorial, which guides you through the various steps of the Riverso Interactive Planner. This interactive tool provides you with the complete dimensions needed to build your Riverso drawer. Simply fill in the highlighted sections in column F, and the appropriate dimensions will be automatically generated. First step. Let's start with step 1.1. Frame measurements and dimensions. Start by entering the cabinet measurements in the table. For a visual reference of the fields to be filled in, refer to the diagram. In this example, we'll use 700 millimeters for the external width of the cabinet, 720 millimeters for cabinet depth, 19 millimeters for side panel thickness, left, 19 millimeters for side panel thickness, right. The floor panel thickness will be automatically filled in based on the measurements supplied. Finally, choose whether or not to include the Tipmatic option. Note that, based on this data, the full selection of Riverso system components to be used will then be suggested to you. You can view and purchase this selection on the Richelieu website. Next, scroll down to step 1.2, Drawer Front Side Overlay, Side Panels. In this step, you'll need to enter the desired lateral overlay for the right and left sides. In this example, we'll use the following overlay. For the diamond side, 19 millimeters for the right side and 17 millimeters for the left side. For the star side, 17 millimeters for the right side and 19 millimeters for the left side. Then scroll down to step 1.3, Drawer Front Upper and Lower Overlay, Top and Bottom. In this step, enter the desired top overlay. For this example, we'll use FO 15 millimeters and FU 15 millimeters. Continue scrolling down, adding the front panel height measurement from step 1.4. For this example, we'll use FH 200 millimeters. Note that the internal drawer dimension will be automatically generated. Here it is, 170 millimeters. Finally, in step 1.5, enter the material thickness of the inner drawer front panel. For this example, we'll use 16 millimeters. Note that the space associated with the X value will be automatically generated according to the set of measurements you supply. And that's it! With this information, the Planning Wizard has provided you with all the measurements you need to build your Riverso drawer. You'll also have all the verification measurements you need to ensure the Riverso system works properly. In addition to the drawer dimensions, you'll also find drilling details in step 2.1. Bottom panel drilling, front panel drilling, soft close side, front panel drilling, Tipmatic option side, as well as drilling the drawer bottom. You will also find the screw dimensions and type needed for your installation. Finally, in step 2.2, you'll find the size for cutting and drilling the aluminum panel and the size for the Tipmatic connecting bar. Find out more about Riverso on www.richelieu.com.